Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an Affilorama review. You're probably here because you're trying to figure out, is this product legitimate? Is it going to help you make money? I'm going to give you a walkthrough here in just a minute. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews like this, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is a Affilorama review. What exactly is Affilorama? It was a Clickbank product, and they have written and video lessons, tools, tips, and support, and it's designed for beginners to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish, and it's building websites for affiliate products. And the creators are two very successful internet marketers, Mark Ling and Simon Slade. Now, I first learned about Mark Ling quite a while ago. I think he was in like a bonus for something, and he was talking about mindset, and it was very interesting because that's where I learned about this gentleman here, John Kehoe, because he said that his mentor told him to read this book and it changed a lot of things for him. So I would highly recommend this book, just kind of an aside, called Mind Power. Your Subconscious Mind is Your Partner to Success, John Kehoe. He's amazing. But that's how I first learned about him. So these two guys are legitimate, and unlike a lot of Clickbank products. They're real people, and they've been very, very successful in the internet marketing space. The cost actually is free for the there's about 120 video tutorials, and there's some products in there that you can purchase. The first one is Pathway to Success. It's an ebook, and that's $19, and then there's a jetpack for $997. There's tools in there, and it says you can try them for free, but so I'm not sure what the cost of that would be if you do pay for them, but I would assume it says try it for free. So let's take a look at Affilorama. When you get in here, there's this roadmap to making money online. This is a 32-page ebook that you can download. It's just basic if you're really getting started, like what is affiliate marketing and the steps to building an affiliate website and picking your niche and things like that. So that's good for just beginners. And then here's all the lessons here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but there's a lot. I think there was 120 videos and tutorials. So if you get in here, like doing your market research, you come down here and you can click on these, and each one of them has a video lesson in it. And this one's like 16 minutes long, so you can see in here there's a lot of different things that you can learn about being an affiliate marketer. Now, not only is it free because you're learning how to rank in Google, they teach you all the free methods, but then they also teach you pay-per-click. So this is where you can pay advertisers and target certain keywords, and so they have that lesson in here as well several lessons in here. And then the things that you can purchase, excuse me, are going to be the Path to Passive, that's the $19 one, and then the Affilorama Tools are free to try them. And then the jetpack is going to be more extensive training, but that again is $997. So there's a lot to this. You can get in here and read exactly what is offered in that. But I was going to show you the tools that you can try for free, or just basically keeping track of your analytics and your keywords. So that is in here as well. A lot of information, and then they do have a forum. So they do have support for you to get your questions answered, and you can see that people are active in there. People stealing my affiliate link ID. that was in the last 7 hours. So you can just go in there, ask your questions, and see, you can see that the staff is answering the questions. And also, I saw there was a support phone number here too. So that's good. So that's basically it. There's just a lot of free information in here, how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. So I would say that the pros of it are that, of course, is it's free, and if you do purchase any products in there, they do have the money back guarantee because it is a Clickbank product. And I would say it covers all the basic information because there's a lot of information in there. And they have good training videos. It's low cost strategy if you do just ranking your content on Google. Of course, if you do PPC, that's going to cost you money. And I really like that there's the forum for support as well as a phone number for support. So I thought that was really good. Can't go wrong with free either. And I've never seen any product that they offer that much for free. I mean, it's just pretty much everything you would need to know. Cons, I would say there's a lot of videos and there's information overload. It's going to take you a long time to get through all of that and kind of piece it all together. Ranking websites is time consuming and it is complicated. Therefore, you may quit before you get to the point where you are making sales. SEO can change, and there is definitely a learning curve, so it can take you a while to make money. Just like anything else, if you're going to do it for free, it's going to take you a while. But also, if you learn PPC, there's a learning curve to that as well, and you can lose some money doing that. But if you do the free, you really can't go wrong because you're just going to have costs for hosting your website, and then if you outsource, because it is time consuming, you're going to have to pay for that. But I would say all in all, if you're going to learn affiliate marketing, it's a pretty good product. And obviously there's a lot of people. I think there was over 300,000 people that use this site since it was founded back in 2007. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below the video if you want to get the free version of Affilorama. I think that excuse me, it definitely would help you out in some areas that maybe you're lacking in. So I hope you guys found some value in this Affilorama review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.